bro kung anong ano na, kung okay. Okay, good. Yung Gian Paolo po. Yung Gian Paolo. Oh! Basket count and one! Yun. Go Saver. Thank you so much. Okay, sige sir ka. Thank you. And shoutout po kay Kuya, maraming salamat. Floater, no. Cruz. Cross-court pass, Villegas, fake, stop and pump. Boom. At nakalusot ang Ateneo doon. 15-13. Villegas, pinasa corner, 4-3. No good. Rebound. Number 67. And basket is good. For Lasal. All 15. Oh, miss it. Steal by another steal. Ayan na. Basket para kay Sanchez. Change favor. Lamang na ang Lasal. Green Hills. Time out. Ateneo. Official score 17-15 with the time remaining 5 minutes and 20 seconds. And thank God nakabalik tayo sa ating live. Shoutout po. Excuse me po. Back to the ball game. 17-15. Rebound ng Lasal. Cruz. Balahaja, binigay sa corner, 4-3, in and out. Cruz, out the pass. Out of bounds. Loki, no, rebound. Out of bounds. Still Balahaja. Pass to Villegas, fake. That's a trouble. Serafica, Tyler. Cruz. That's a trouble. Home stick. No. Fisher scores all 17. Change favor. Green ball. Pass. Bonita, 4-3. No. Yes, a 3. No good. Ayun na ang Ateneo. Number 17. Floater, wala. Tyler, wala pa rin. And that's a jump ball. Remaining time, last 40 seconds. Bonitas, out the pass. Number 17, block. Guy, number 26, spin move. What a pass! Balahaja! Oh, sayang. Time remaining, last 18 seconds. Let's go. Balahaja shooting for 2. Bad pass, steal ng Ateneo, number 17. Bounce pass, number 15, miss it. Rebound ng Lasal. Naka-recover. Wala pa rin. Good. Foul. Number 13 shooting for 2. Time remaining, last 3.4 seconds. Second shot. Wala. Uy. Naihabol pa. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score 21-17 in favor of the Ateneo. Okay, magkakato muna tayo for the meantime at magbabalik para sa ating second half. To check yung ating live. Pasensya na po at nagkakaroon po na problema sa ating live. Sa signal. Ayan, shoutout Aguila. Maraming salamat po. Kaya anong gamit mo? TM? Ay, ano yung Tecno? Ay, kaya shoutout kay Tega. Magbabalik po tayo for our next second half. Quarter basket count. Floater, no. Here comes Seraphica, pass number 11, steal. Bonita, up and under, and what? Basket. Nice shot para kay Jai, Bonita. Seraphica gets a foul. First shot para kay Tyler. Second shot. Tyler is good. Sanchez sidestep gets the foul. Two shots for Joaquin Sanchez. Pass to Loki. Cruz. Running shot. Short. Rebound by Loki. Block from behind. Another block for Tyler. Ang laki ng Tyler doon. Paul! Ateneo basketball. Out of bounds. Pass to Cruz to Joaquin. Joaquin 4-3 short. Rebound by Tyler. Ow, steal. There's a foul. Timeout. Time remaining 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Tingnan natin huddle ating coach. Hindi, ano siya, yung... Magkano? Alamin ko nga mamaya, kuya. Pag-PM. Mamaya. Joaquin, pass to Loki. Pass to Abonita. Binigay. Number 16, 4-3. No. Rebound. Number 26. Missed it. Ay, nakakatineo. Oh. Nakakalisot na naman. Nakakatineo. Abonita, 4-2. No. Out of bounds. Oh, it's 4-3. Wala. By Loki, 1-on-1, Cruz, and one. What a smart move for Loki Cruz. Get the contact. Bonus shot for Loki Cruz. ba yun, Cor?
Mali yung nakasip ko.
Nakashoot ba Manila? Official score 29-22. Bonita. Pass to Loki. Pass to Jai. Back to Loki. Binigay sa corner. Bounce pass. Joaquin. Out of bounds. Steal by Sanchez. Joaquin. Odd step. And one! Basket count. May kasama pang foul for Joaquin Sanchez. Bonus shot for Joaquin. Basket is good. Kalagay na ba yung score? Di pa, no? 27. Nalagay na ba kanina? Okay, time out. Ateneo, 25-29. 4-point lead para sa Ateneo. Let's go. Back to the ball game. Ateneo basketball. Almost steal. By number 26. Pass to Sanchez. To Jai. Jai pass to Loki. 4-3. Short. Rebound. Sanchez. There's a foul for Joaquin Sanchez. For Joaquin Sanchez. Second shot. Basket is good. Aba na lamang sa dalawa. Ang inahabol ng Lasal. 29-27. Oh, steal! Jai! Gets a foul. Lasal Green Hills basketball. Jai 4-3. No. Rebound ng Ateneo. Oh, still. Here comes Loki. Akin na to. Tabla na tayo sa 29. 29 all. Another steal. Pero naka-recover ang Ateneo. Number 13, nagmamadali. Bigay. Oy! Out of bounds. Lasal Green Hills basketball.
Jai, sure.
Cruz, diskarte, pass to Jai. Pinasa sa corner. Fake, pass to Jai. Jai, bounce pass to Loki. Cruz. Cruz, kick out. 4-3. In and out. Rebound. Jai, no good. Oh, steal! Almost. Nakargo for ang Ateneo. Last 20 seconds. Out of bounds. 19 seconds. Bilis ng oras, no? Last 19 seconds. Bola ng Lasal. Here comes Luki. Cruz. Ayan na ang double team. Pass to. Drop pass. Sanchez. Walang tawag. Rebound. Nakatawag. Ateneo. 5, 3, 2, 1. At dito na po. Nagtatapos. Uy. Muntikan pa. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official scores all 29. Good defense para sa ating Lasal Green Hills. Alright, tayo dadawa na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Muntikan pa. Pumasok yun. Ay,
Ano oras na? 12:30, sakto.
12:30.
Kaya alauna. Pati na yung ulo ng suot, kahit isa. Ubus yung lamang.
Tabla na tayo. Ayan na. All 29. Kaya lang boots ha. Kunin ko na yung gamit ko. Wait lang.
JMC Basketball.
Jason. Shoutout po kay Jason De La Cruz from anong team niya? JMZ Basketball. Ayan, Jason De La Cruz. Happy birthday po. And happy viewing sa ating live coverage. Cruz, spin move, drop pass, Jai. Oy, remiss it, rebound. Sanchez, kick out. Number 16, pass to Cruz from the corner for 3. Bang! 3 point for Loki Cruz. Ayan na, change favor. Lamang na ang Lasal. Number 10. Gets the foul. What a bull shot. Walang kaabog-abog doon si Loki. May lisensya naman tumira ng 3. Ayan na, number 4. Pass to number 13. Pinigay kay number 4. Didiskarte. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 13. Pinasa loob. Lao. Out of bounds. Good defense para kay Villegas. Oh, sorry. Number 55. Las Malahaja rather. Ayan na si Jai. Abonita, steal by Tyler. Ayan na si number 5. Nagmamadali. Number 5. Steal by Jai. Steal. No, number 13. Oy! Nakabawi ang Ateneo. Pero lamang pa rin ng isa ang Lasal. 31-32. Oopsie. And gets the foul. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Cruz. May tanga na bola. Cruz. Ayan na ang double team. Cruz. That's a pushing foul. Green ball. Remaining time 7 minutes and 16 seconds. Jai for 3, no! Rebound by Balahaja. Pass to Sanchez. Joaquin, spin. Running shot, no! Out of bounds, blue ball. Here comes Ateneo. Number 15. Steal by Jai. Pass to Cloky. Loki. Pass to Joaquin. Pass to Abonita. To Loki. Setting on the play. 12 seconds to shoot. Loki. Crossover. Top of the key for 3. No. Rebound. Makakuha ni Jai. Jai. Oh. And gets the foul. Grabe. Jai Abonita shooting on the line for LaSalle Green Hills. First shot para kay Jai. Basket is good. Balik sa dalawang lamang ng LaSalle. Wala.
Go Tyler!
Rebound by Tyler. Here comes Ateneo. Number 13.
Just stay here. I'll stay here. I'll stay here.
To number 5. Number 4. Looking for his teammate. Oy! That's a backcourt violation. Good defense for LaSalle. Time remaining 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Sanchez may tanga na bola. Pass to Cloky. Cruz to Jai. Run and shot. Uy, too strong. Rebound. Balahaja. He missed it. Loki with a putback. 35-31. Balik sa apat. Ang lamang. Ayan na. Serapika. Atake. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha. Uy, good hustle by Balahaja. Excuse me po. Oh! Out of bound. LaSalle Green Hills basketball. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Cruz setting on the play. Cruz pass to Jai. Jai for 3. No good. Rebound by Balahaja. Pass to Cruz. Loki. Court cross pass. Sanchez. Walang tawag. Balahaja will recover. Still by number 13. Number 13 nagmamadali. Derecho. At nakalusot na nga sa number 13. That is Samson. Jai. Pass to. Oy! Block by number 13. Samson nagmamadali. Samson up and under. Grabe yun. Nakalusot. Pinaikot-ikot ang bola. Tabla tayo sa 35. Samson. Punish shot for a 3-point play. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Samson. Wala. Rebound. Number 15. Too strong. Tyler. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez to Cruz. Ayan na ang double team. Cruz. Out of bound. Same ball. Green. Ayan na. Sino tatanggap? Number 3 ang mag-inbound. Ayan na, double team kay Loki. Nakukulong na. Ganda ng laban na to. The rivalry. Ayan na, makakuha ni Sanchez. Pass to Jai. Jai. Atake. Rally shot. Oy! Offensive foul. Grabe. Offensive foul na tawag. Time remaining 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Bola ng Ateneo. Number 15. Pass to number 5. Ayan na, sa number 2. Bounce pass. Serapika. Wala. Rebound. Serapika. Ayan na, nabitawan. Steal by Sanchez. Sanchez, outlet pass. Ayan na. Number 3. Diretso. Iligay. Uy. Oh! Out of bound. Save ball. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Bola ng Lasal. Jai ang mag-inbound. Sino tatanggap? Binigay kay Sanchez. Sanchez to Jai. Jai to Cruz. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! That's a traveling violation ang itinawag. 1 minute and 55 seconds left. Bola ng Ateneo. Ayan na. Ligay kay number 5. Oh, steal by Sanchez. Joaquin to Jai. Jai, maitatawid. Jai, atake. Pinigay. Balahaja, block. Balahaja, pass number 3. Cruz from the corner. No! Rebound by Ateneo. Steal by Cruz. Cruz. And gets a blocking foul. Oh my. Let's go. Time remaining 1 minute and 24 seconds. Crucial free throw for Loki Cruz. Let's go, Loki.
Boys! Boys! Push! Go!
Wala pa pala tayong penalty. Ayan na, si number 3, looking for his teammate. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, ni diskarte. 20 seconds. Cruz, high pick up, drop pass. Out of bounds. One minute and 14 seconds. Raja, steal by Samson. Samson, nagmamadali. Samson, ayan na, didiskarte, may foul ang itinawag ang ating referee. That is Joaquin Sanchez making that foul. Time out. Wala. Time out. Ateneo. 1 minute and 1 second. 35 all. Wala na naman yung live ko. Lolo ko talaga internet, no? Pero na-save ko naman po yan. I-ano na natin sa YouTube po, ah. .1 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Ateneo. 35 all. Ayun na. Hand off to Samson. Samson. Pass number 5. To number 15, 4-3, wala, rebound. Makuha rito ni Jai. Steal. Samson to number 5, tumira sa 3. Wala, rebound by Joaquin. And gets the foul. Last 37 seconds on the game clock. Crucial free throw for Joaquin Sanchez. Masusubukan ng free throw si Joaquin. Let's go, Joaquin. First shot is good for Joaquin Sanchez. Second shot for Joaquin. Basket na naman. 2 for 2 for Joaquin Sanchez. Ayun na. Last 37 seconds. Lamang ng dalawa. Ang Lasal. Number 15 for 3. Oh! Oh my! What a dagger! Grabe. Time out, Lasal, Green Hills. Grabe yun. Dinigla tayo. What a 3-point. Woo. Tingnan natin ang Adel ng Lasal. Lamang ang Lasal ng Ateneo ng isa.
kanina yung dalawang try niya, ay kung isang po kanina, kung pumasok yun, eh, di third time niya, tapos kung ngayon pumasok 41 na sana kami.
Ayun na. 20 seconds left. Sino tatanggap? Pinigay. Sanchez. Pass to Jai. Jai! Bang! Oh my! Technical? Ah, time out, time out, time out. Wala po, time out pala. Oh my goodness! Last 24.8 seconds. 39, 38. Grabe yan. Let's go! "24 seconds left. 39, 38. Bola ng Ateneo. Sino tatanggap? Kaya na. Trigay. Pass to Tyler. Nabitawan. Samson. Oh my goodness. Basket is good for Samson. 18.1 seconds remaining.
Haba pa.
Grabe. Let's go. Ano mo, Lasal. Let's go. Di pa tapos ang oras, di kita lang ang laban. Loki Cruz, lalabas ang mola. Pinigay kay Sanchez. Oh, steal! Ayan na, number 2, visit. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez, good. Tara, 9, 8, 7. Cruz, may tayo na bola. Cruz, pas, bala, Haja! I-visit! Tira! Ayan na! There's a foul! May foul ba?
Hoy, tayo lang!
Oh my! Alright, our final score, 39-40. What an intense game from both team. Grabe. ang laban na yun. Congratulations! Ateneo winning this game kontra sa ating Lasal Green Hills. Final score 40-39. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Bro, wait lang bro.